now. Here we discuss Igbo language and we afford you the opportunity to practice Igbo speaking. I am the Igbo tutor. I have the Igbo tutor YouTube channel through which we teach Igbo language in explicit form in a special way to whoever is interested. But this live session is meant to afford you opportunity to practice what you must have learned over time, especially through our videos and through other sources. So we open this live session to allow you to practice Igbo speaking. There are so many people of Igbo descent, Igbo friends, Igbo partners, Igbo fiancé or wife or husband or children that are scattered all around the world with no means of speaking or practicing Igbo language. They desire to speak, but there's no one around them with which they can practice this. So this live session affords you the opportunity to practice speaking Igbo language. Wherever you are, join up now. This live session has been on and always come up on Saturdays by 2 p.m. each day. So afford yourself of this opportunity. Join up now, wherever you are seeing us now in your YouTube channel. If you have gotten notification, please join up now. If you have indicated interest before, if you've asked YouTube to notify you when I'm live, this is the time to join this session so that we'll begin without wasting time. We want to spend only 1 hour here today. So wherever you are and you are part of this, or you are seeing me right now, or you've gotten this notification as my subscriber, please, it's important to join up now. It is not enough to subscribe to YouTube channel, but it's also important that you practice what you have learned by watching our videos. So this live session affords you the opportunity to practice what you have learned over time. We are proceeding with our sentence drill. We are covering all possible verbs in Igbo language through which we form sentences and allow you to challenge yourself as to how you understand the sound of the Igbo alphabet, how you understand the words, how to spell the words, and how to form sentences using the words. So wherever you are now, it is time to join up. I'm waiting for you. The program, the teaching will start in earnest. In a few minutes from now, we are starting. So I'm waiting for you wherever you are. Join up now. The Igbo tutor is live now. Let's do this together. I'm waiting for you. Last time in the previous session, and that was the episode of part 11, we stopped at the word kulite, and we made sentence using that word. Today, we are proceeding. We want to cover 100 Igbo verbs and make sentences with them to challenge our understanding of the meaning of the verbs and then the construction of sentences. That is the only way you can know how far you've gone in the journey to Igbo language mastery. So whether you are married to Igbo, you are born by Igbo parents, but you don't know how to speak Igbo, you have Igbo fiancé about to get married, you have Igbo business partners, this is the place to be. Come on board now. Let's do this together. The Igbo tutor is live now, waiting for you to join up. We are waiting for you to join up now. Wherever you are, see me now. Come online, come on board, join up now. Let's do this together. I am waiting for you. In 2 minutes' time, this live session, the teaching proper, will start. So do not delay, because we just want to maintain 1 hour today. Join up now, and let's do this together. The Igbo tutor is online, live, waiting for you, wherever you are from any part of the world. Let's take this as opportunity to learn how to speak Igbo language, how to practice what you knew before, how to, construct Igbo sentences, and how to challenge yourself to make progress in Igbo language speaking. So wherever you are now, join up. Waiting for you. The Igbo tutor is live now, waiting for you to come online. We are our students. We are waiting. I want to see you coming now. Let's begin. There's no time to waste at all. I'm waiting. We are our students. We're waiting for you. Perhaps you're seeing this notification right in your inbox, your YouTube inbox or notification link. You have to join up now. You are subscribed to our channel. You've been watching our videos. This is an avenue for you to practice what you have been learning over time It's not enough to watch our videos. It's important that you practice speaking Igbo language. So wherever you are, it's important to join up now so that we can begin. I am waiting for you. Where are you? Yes, come on board. Come on board, join up now. Let's begin. As you join, please drop a comment. Say no or dalo or ndewo. Let's welcome you officially. Yes, let's know you are here. Just drop a comment in the chat so that we can know you are here. We can welcome you officially. Yes. If you are here, please type no or dalo. Let's see you are here. Okay, Ihoma is here. Ihoma says ndewo. So Ihoma, no, you're welcome. Where are the rest? Please drop your chat. Excuse me. Drop your chat. Let's be sure you are here with us so that we can start immediately. There's no time to waste at all. We are behind by 4 minutes already. Ihoma, you are welcome. Where are the rest? Yeah, where are you? Join up now. Let's begin. Join up now. Let's begin. Wherever you are, you've gotten this notification. You click join, and you have our link to this live session. Click on the link. Join up now. Let's do this together. Where are you? Let's see and know you are here. Just drop ndewo no, so that we'll know you are here. We can welcome you officially. So let's not waste time at all. We are waiting for you. Join up, join up, join up. Where are you? We are waiting. Want to start in earnest? Yeah, we want to start because we want to try to maintain 1 hour in today's live session. So we're beginning right away. Not just because of those of you who are joining online or real time, we want to also be sure that those who are going to watch this live session later are not kept long without them hearing or seeing anything happening. So let's begin right away. Last week, we stopped with the word kulite, which means carry up. And then we made a sentence with that. Today, we are continuing with letter K and verb that begins with the letter K. So the next verb we are looking at today as we begin is kuru ume, kuru ume, kuru ume, which means breath, breath, draw air, kuru ume. That is the verb. Can you drop the verb now in the chat session? Let me hear you say that, kuru ume. Okay, Ozua is here. Ozua, no. This is Ozua. Lewo. The verb we are looking at is kuru ume, which means breathe, breathe, kuru ume. Can you drop the word in the chat session? Let's be sure. Kuru ume, drop it now. Kuru ume, breathe. Yeah, drop it, drop it. That is the word. We're not waiting for everybody to come before we begin because we have our time scheduled. So you are supposed to join at the exact time. So we are already on. And the word we're looking at now is kuru ume. We want to maintain 1 hour today, not more than that. Kuru ume, breathe. Now let me have the word. Drop it there in the chat session. Let me have the word. Kuru ume, breathe. Yes? Somebody should drop it now. Write the word in the chat. Kuru ume, breathe. Breathe. Kuru ume. I'm waiting for that. Waiting for that. Mrs. Ozua, do that. Okay, Ellen Ozua, kuru. Okay, you wrote kuru, but I said kuru. Kuru is K, not KW. It's not ku, it's K. Kuru ume. The word is a compound word. 2 words joined together. Kuru ume. Okay. Make somebody else should try. Yeah, Ozua, you have tried, but that is the word. It starts with K, not KW, not quick, but K. Kuru ume. If you just join us, let's be sure you are here. And the word we're looking at is kuru ume. Is a compound word joined together with a hyphen. And the word is breathe. Kuru ume. Okay. Now I want to have the word. Somebody has tried writing the word. Chikezie is here. And there, Chikezie. Ozua is here. And who else is here? Okay, kuru ume. Okay, Ozua, you have tried. That's a good trial. That's the first word we're looking at today. Kuru ume, breathe. And Ozua has written something that is very interesting. Ozua, you tried, but it's not koro, it's kuru. So you will understand that the U shouldn't have dot under. It's kuru ume u, not o. If it's o, it will have dot under, it will be koro ume. But in this case, it's kuru ume. Okay, Chikezie has written a corrected version. Ihoma has also written something, but it's not koro, it's kuru ume. So Chikezie McDonald got it very correct. Kuru ume is Kuru hyphen UME, kuru ume, breathe. That is the word. For those who who did not get it right, that is the correction. Kurume. Okay, and now let's have the sentence now. Kwe ka anyị kuru ume. Kwe ka anyị kuru ume. Allow us to breathe. Okay, Ihoma, you have written the correction. That's fine. Kwe ka anyị kuru ume. Allow us to breathe. Kwe ka anyị kuru ume. Let us breathe or allow us to breathe. Okay, that is the word. Now, that is the sentence. Now, somebody should drop the sentence. If you've just joined us now, please indicate by saying no on Dewo. Let's be sure you are here and let's welcome you officially. Many of us have joined already. Let's be sure you are here. I want to welcome you. I want to identify you and be sure you are in the class. Please, if you are joining us now, indicate by saying no on Dewo. And then pay attention. The sentence we are considering now is kuru ume. Kwe ka anyị kuru ume. That is the sentence. The word is kuru ume, which is breathe. And the sentence is kwe ka anyị kuru ume. Kwe ka anyị kuru ume. Let us or allow us to breathe. Allow us breathe or let us breathe. Okay? Somebody has written, Ihoma has written something. Ihoma wrote, Gwe kari kurume, a good trier. Chikezie kwe ka anyị kurume, a good trier. Ozua, kwe ka nye kurume, a good trier. Okay, Ozua is not satisfied with what she wrote. She has withdrawn that. I think she wants to do a better one now. So I'm waiting for Ozua before I make the correction and we move to the next word and the next sentence. We are not wasting too much time today. We want to maintain 1 hour. So I'm waiting for Ozua to come back. Okay, Ozua has written again, Kwe ka anyị kuru ume. Okay, that's better. But this you are ka anyị. I hope the K is small letter. Kwe ka anyị kuru ume. Okay, let us breathe or allow us to breathe. Yes, that is the word, that is the sentence. Let us breathe or allow us breathe. Kwe ka anyị kuru ume. That is correct. Yeah. I see many people have joined already. Please, if you are just joining, let us know you are here. Okay, Jen M, Kwe ka anyị kuru ume. That's good. Jen M, you are welcome. No. Yeah, who are the other people that joined? Let me know you are here. Please drop something. Say none. They will. No. Let me be sure you are here. Let me mention you by name. And don't forget to give this live session a thumbs up. Hit the like button. Please hit the like button under this video so that the YouTube can recognize that people are interested in this and push it out to more people to join up. So hit the like button, very important. Hit the like button under the video. Do that now. It's important to us. Now, Jen M, you're welcome. No. Let's go to the second word for today. And the second word for today is parita oka. Parita oka. Parita oka. Parita oka is also a compound word starting with pa, me. Parita oka, which means discuss. Discuss. Parita oka, discuss. Give me the word. Clement Emehe, you are here and there. No. Okay, Clement is here. Okay, more people are joining. Let's know you are here once you join in. Let's just drop something, say no. There, let's welcome you. Now, the word is parita oka. Let me have it. Parita oka. Ellen also has written something. Faith Barbara, you are welcome. No. Okay, now, parita oka. Okay, Uzua has written something. I'm waiting for others to write. Parita oka, not oka, but oka. I'm talking to Uzua. Parita oka. Okay, you can make a correction with that. I think I'm guiding you now. Parita oka. Jenem has written. Okay, Clement has written. Parita oka. Good effort. So I'm talking to Uzua. Parita oka, not oka. Oka. I believe you're going to make that correction. Yeah, Marita Oka, that's fine. Ozua has made the correction. Means you are hearing me very well. That's great. So that means discuss or talk together. Okay. Now we go to the sentence now. If you have not hit the like button for this live session, do that now. Please do that. It's important to hit the like button to let YouTube push this to more people to see it and join up. Okay? Important to hit the like button. Let's take the sentence now. Ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. A little bit long, but let's challenge ourselves. Ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. Let us discuss now. Ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. Let us discuss now. Okay? Somebody say, I'm on the way to Berlin. The noise is much in the train. Oh, very sorry. That is Mrs. Ozua. She's going to Berlin, Germany. Okay, please just try as much as you can to listen and pick one or two things. You can also just look at the words and then follow through that. Okay, just make effort. That's important to us. Thank you very much for that sacrifice, Ozua. Okay, so the word is kani, or the sentence rather is kani kparịta ụka ugbu a. Let us discuss now. Kani kparịta ụka ugbu a. Let us discuss now. Okay, Jen M has written kani kparịta ụka ugbu a. Okay, kani kparịta ụka ugbu a. That's great. Jen M is making a great effort. Yes, who else is challenging Jen M now? Where is I'm not choosing a class captain today. Your performance will now determine who is going to lead the class today. So I've not given anybody class captain. Let all of us try to beat each other so that we can see a clear leader today. And then they'll crown the person the class captain for today. So it's still open for everyone now. Jen M, I think you're coming in strong. Maybe you want to push Chikezie McDonald out of leadership of the class. I hope so. So Clement has written ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. Great. Ozua, ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. Okay. Ozua, you wrote ugbu a, but I said ugbu a. Okay. But that's a great effort. Where is McDonald? I've not seen him written anything. Okay. Those who are joining us now, just drop something, say none there. Well, let's welcome you officially. I see many of you have joined up, and hit the like button. It's very important to us. Hit the like button under the video. Please, it's important so that YouTube can know that more people are interested in this. Okay, so hit the like button and let's welcome you officially. Ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. Better, Ozua, that's better. That's better. Somebody has, unlike this video. I don't know why. I said you should hit the like button, but you are hitting, dropping, you are hitting back. If you have hit it before, don't repeat it. If you hit the like button before and you repeat it again, you are like, that is reverse. So don't do that. If you have done that before, don't touch it again. Okay? So if you have not hit the like button, do it now. Ozua, good effort. Ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. Good effort. Okay? Clement Emeghe, ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. Good effort. Jenem, ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. Let me see who got it. All of you try. Let me see who got it. I think Jenem is leading today. Ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. Jenem got it perfectly well. Although the ugbu a a call, and then that affected our transmission. So, but I'm back. Chikezie said she may be listening, and he may be listening and not really participate too much in writing. That's fine. So it means Jen M is going to lead this class today, the way I'm looking at it. Jen M and Mrs. Ozua are going to contest. Ozua also is traveling on the road, so I doubt if she can beat Jen M at all. So let's move on. Jen M got the answer correctly. Ka anyị kparịta ụka ugbu a. That is a perfect response to that, and that is correct. Okay, we're going to the next word. The next word is kpọọ. Can we drop that in the comment section, in the chat section? Kpọọ. Drop the word. Let me have the word. Kpọọ. That is call, or call, or call. Okay, Ozua has written that, or call. That's great. Ozua want to challenge Gen M for this class leadership of today. I don't know who's going to take that leadership, but Ozua has dropped the word already. Okay, who else is challenging? Who is dropping the word? Call, or call, or yes. I'm waiting for who will drop the word after Ozua. Or call, or call. If you are seeing this video now, this live session, or you are getting this notification, this is the Igbo Tutor live. What we're dealing with is Let's Talk Igbo Language live. This is a place where we practice speaking Igbo language, forming Igbo sentences, spreading Igbo words. Is a place where we drill ourselves to be able to, make Igbo sentences. It's a time we practice the things we have learned through our video we've watched over time. So we use this opportunity to practice all that we have learned over time. So you do yourself a favor to join this session wherever you are. And as far as you're seeing me now, or you have gotten notification, join up now and challenge yourself to speak Igbo language, to listen, to understand Igbo sentences, to put to practice those things you have learned through the videos you have watched over time. It's of no use watching videos of Igbo lessons without trying to practice what you have learned over time. You won't be able to make progress without listening, forming sentences and words, and then understanding what somebody else has said. So you do yourself a great, advantage or favor by joining this live session where we drill ourselves to speak and talk Igbo language. So wherever you are, join up now. You are a fiancé of Igbo, business partner, you're born by Igbo parents, but you don't know how to speak Igbo. This is where you should be by now, wherever you are in any part of the world. Many of us desire to speak Igbo, but there's none to help us, to correct us. But here, we accommodate you, we teach you, we guide you to speak Igbo. We teach you and train you. We hold you by hand, lead you on. So please come on board now. Let's speak Igbo together live. Now we are moving on. And the JM say, I'm busy this morning too, so I may not be able to participate at this time. We're like, okay, JM too is saying she's busy. Okay, we have a new person today. Oh, Igbo is here today. Oh my goodness. Igbo, this is the first time you are joining our live session. I'm glad to welcome you today. Igbo. That is, I'm trying to remember her name, proper name now. Mrs. Why did I just miss your name? I'm trying to remember the actual name of Mrs. Igbo. It is Igbo. Is my wife. I'm trying to remember. What is the name of your husband again? Oh my goodness. I'm sorry I forgot this. Igbo, please remind me. Oh, Adumije, Mrs. Adumije. Okay, Mrs. Adumije. Yeah, I got it right. Igbo, correct me if I'm right, or confirm that I got your name correctly. Mrs. Adumije. That is your real name, my very beloved wife with our beautiful sons. So if I'm right, Adumije, please just confirm that I got your name very well. And I have Kanayo Kenneth today. Kanayo, you are welcome today. Kenneth Kanayo, we are seeing you for the first time in our live session. You are highly welcome. Linda Musa also is joining for the first time. Linda, no, you are highly welcome. Okay, so I want Igbo to confirm if I got her name right, Mrs. Adumije. Please confirm if I got your name right. Say you just give me a thumbs up or say you are right or you are correct. Let me be sure I got your name very correctly. So we are moving on. So Linda, you are welcome. Kanayo, you are welcome. Igbo, Mr. Adumije, you are welcome. Now we're talking about Paul. We have written the word. We want to make sentence with the word Paul. Okay, now let's do it now. The sentence is Biko Boya. Biko Boya. Please call him or call her. Biko Boya. Please call him or her. Can you write the sentence in the chat session now? Let me see those who are very conversant with that, who can get it immediately. Biko Boya. Please call him or call her. We use ya for both him or her. Please let me have the word. Let me have it. Just drop it in the chat session now. Who is dropping it first? Clement has done that. Biko Boya. Okay. Who else is challenging Clement? Amen. Clement has done that. Who else? Okay, Ozua, Biko Boha. Okay, I say Boya, but you chose to write Boha. It's also fine. What about Ibo? Biko Boya, yeah, Ibo is here. Okay, Adumije, you have not confirmed that I got your name correctly. That is Mrs. Adumije. Please confirm if I'm right. Ibo. I want to be sure you are the one. Okay, now Biko Boya, Ozua, Biko Boya, great. These answers are very okay. They are very okay. I think you are all on fire today. Okay, Clement Emehe is the one that first wrote Biko Boya, great. Jenem Biko Boya, Ibo, Biko Boya, Ozua, Biko Boya. All of you are correct. That is the word. Biko Kanayo has written, okay, Ibo said, oh, Monwa, this woman is on fire. I think she has gone far in Igbo language speaking. She got the response and reply me in Igbo language. Say, oh, Monwa, great. You beat your chest and say, oh, Monwa, Munyendi Igbo wife. You are too much. Igbo, you are too much. I salute you. You are too much. Can I also say, Biko Boya? All of you got the answers correctly. Biko Boya. Okay, we move on now. The next word is Bafue. Bafue, which means wander away. Wander away. Wander away. Bafue. Now let me have the word. Okay, Bafue. Bafue. Wander away. Wander and get lost. Wander away from the road, from anywhere. So let me have the word. Write it immediately. Who is giving me the word first? Bafue. Bafue. Who is giving me the word? Just drop it now. Bafue. Wander away. Yes. Who is giving me the word? Jenem has done that. Bafue. Great. Okay. Who else is challenging Jen M now? Bafue. Who else is challenging Jen M? Bafue. The word now. First. The word first. Please hit the like button. Hit the like button on there for this video. Very important to us. Hit the like button. Okay, Clement Emehe, Bafue, great. Okay, who else is doing that? Ibo, where are you? I've not seen your own. Bafue, great. Ibo has written. Clement has written. That's great. Ibo, you are on today. You are really showing that you are our Ibo wife. And you are not joking at all. Ozua, Bafue, great. These are two great Ibo wives that are impressing me so much. Okay, Bafue. Okay, that's great. That's great. All your words are correct. Both those who wrote together and those who separated it, but there's a hyphen in between, like Clement and Ehe. They're all correct. So now let's have the sentence. Ekwela ka nwa gị kpafue. Ekwela ka nwa gị kpafue. Don't let your child wander away. Ekwela ka nwa gị kpafue. Let me have the word. Okay, this guy, Kanayo is writing, we have passed that long ago. It means your network or your position is very far that you are not getting us a real time. And that's why you are still writing by now. It means you are not getting us fast. Okay. Igbo has written the word. Igbo is on fire. I hope she will not dethrone all the old class members and lead this class today. Igbo. Mrs. Adumije is serious with what she's writing. She has written, Ekwela ka nwa gị kpafue. That's great. That is great. Igbo, you are too much. Okay, Chioma, no. Chioma has just joined us now. Chioma, no. You are highly welcome, Chioma. Okay, Linda Musa, Bo. That means you are also not getting us on time or you're having network problem. We have already passed Bo. We are now talking about Bafue, and we have gotten the word and we've given the sentence, and some people have written the sentence already. Igbo has written. Who else has written? Jen M. Ekwela ka nwa gị kpafue. Clement Emehe has written, Ekwela ka nwa gị kpafue. Elin Ozo has written, Ekwela ka nwa gị kpafue. These people are on fire today. These my class members today are really on fire. They are serious and they are hitting me back with the answers correctly. It means you are making progress. I'm happy about this. We are really making progress. Stephanie Victor, I don't know whether you have been in a, okay, Stephanie, you have been in a class before. No, I think you have been in a class before. Stephanie, please correct me. If this is the first time you are joining us, say, I'm coming, I'm a newcomer, or I'm a new student. I'm talking to Stephanie Victor, but I'm thinking that name resonates with my brain, that we've had that name before. Stephanie, please correct me. Is it the first time you are joining us, or you have been you have participated in a class before? If so, just say I've been here before, or I'm a new timer. Talking to Stephanie Victor now. Okay, I missed a letter. Sorry. Ekwelaka nwagi ba fue. Okay, the name. That's fine. I think all your answers are correct. I don't need to waste my time talking about it. You all got the answers correct. Ekwela ka nwagi ba fue. Don't let your child wander away. Okay, Stephen said, I've been here before. Yeah, I remember that your picture. I remember you've been here before. Thank you very much for confirming that. Now, the next word is buchie, cover. Buchie, we are dealing with alphabet P, KP, P. Now we are taking the verb, buchie, cover. Give me the word. Clement said the participants that are behind may want to refresh their screen. It may help since they are looking at a delayed version. Okay, that's all right. That's a good advice. You can refresh your screen to be able to get what we have said so that you can come, come in tune and be at the same level with us. You be at par with us. So you can be participating and hearing and responding at the exact time we are here now. So if you've just joined, refresh your screen according to Clement's suggestion so you can just come at the same speed with us. Refresh your screen. Okay, I said Uchie. Some has written already. Who are they? Oyibo has written Uchie, Jenem Uchie, Ozua Uchie, Kanayo Kenneth Uchie, Clement Emehe Uchie. These guys are on fire today. I don't think I need to say anything. All what you have written are correct. Uchie, cover. Let's now have the sentence, which is Uchie ite ofegi, cover your soup pot. Uchie ite ofegi, cover your soup pot. Uchie ite ofegi. Let me have the sentence now. Ibo, fire. Jenem, fire. Who is going? Ozua, fire. Uchie ite ofegi. I said ite ofegi. I said that. Okay, Ozua has corrected herself. She has added gi. That means you are soup pot. Cover it. Uchie ite ofegi. Ibo. That's great. I have rare competition today. Clement Demehe, Uchie ite ofegi. Great. Kanayo, Uchie ite ofe. Kanayo didn't add gi. Ite ofegi. You are soup pot. Possessive. Stephen Victor, Uchie ite ofegi. Okay, great students. You are doing very, very well. I'm impressed. Uchie ite ofegi. Now, I don't need to waste my time correcting you because you are all correct. Even Ozua that missed G has corrected herself. So why do I have to waste my time talking about that? Next word is bezier, which means reconcile or settle two parties that are having issues or quarrel. Bezier, reconcile. Drop the word now. Bezier, drop the word. Bezier, reconcile. Bezier, drop the word. I'm waiting for the word. Who is dropping it first? Ibo. Ozua is cheating first, but you should listen properly. It's bezier. Although you say you are inside the train and the noise is much. It's not bezier, it's bezier. I'm talking to Ozua. Bezier. Okay, Clement is here. Okay, Jenem had tried, but I think she's withdrawing her word to rewrite again. Bezier. Okay, better. Ozua is bezier. I know you know it, but you didn't hear me very well. Bezier. So I'm waiting for Ozua to correct herself. Bezier. Kanayo, Kenneth. Bezier, correct. Ozua, waiting for you. Bezier, correct yourself. Bezier, reconcile or settle two warring parties. Bezier, okay. Victor, Bezier, great. Yeah, Ozua, you have not done your correction. Bezier, I'm waiting for you. Okay, Ozua, Bezier, that's fine. You got it. I know you didn't hear me well. You are past this stage. You don't make mistakes in writing. You are very good in that. Now we go to the sentence. Kpezie di na nwunye. Kpezie di na nwunye. Kpezie di na nwunye. Reconcile husband and wife. Kpezie di na nwunye. Yes, who is shooting first? Who is leading the class today? Oyibo Yibo, Jenem. Okay, who is leading? Kanayo. All of you are on fire. You don't want to give any space for anybody. I've given the sentence. I'm waiting for who will shoot first. Bezie di na nwunye. Reconcile husband and wife. Jenem. Bezie di na nwunye. Great. Clement. Bezie di na nwunye. Great. Okay, who else is shooting? Oyibo Yibo. Okay, Stephanie. Bezie di na nwunye. Great. Who else is shooting? I'm waiting for you. Yeah, Oyibo Yibo, where are you? Bezie di na nwunye. Reconcile husband and wife. Where are you? Kana Yokenet, you are here. Bezie di na nwunye. Great. Ozua. Bezie di na nwunye. Great. All your answers are in line. Yeah. Except that I've not seen the response of Oyibo Ibo. Mrs. Adomije, I'm waiting for your own response. Bezie di na nwunye. I hope your network is not delaying you because I know you are past this stage. Okay, I'm waiting for Ibo Ibo. Ibo, I'm waiting for you. Drop your answer. All your responses are correct. You are really on fire. The next word, we're going to alphabet KW, and the first word is Kwe, say or speak. Kwe, drop the word. Kwe, say or speak. Kwe, yes, drop the word now. Say or speak. Kwe. Okay, Clement Emehe has written Kwe. Yes, who else is dropping the word? Kwe, say. Speak. Kwe, say something. Say, speak. Kwe, yes, I'm waiting for you. Jenem, Kwe, sing. Yeah, why I'm waiting for others to drop their word. Kana Yokenet, Kwe, correct. Why I'm waiting for you, if you have not hit the like button of this live session, if you have not hit the like button under this video, you have not done well, hit it now. If you have done it before, don't repeat it. But if you have not done that, do it now so that more people can get notified about this video and this live session. Ozua, Kwe, correct. Stephanie, Victor, Kwe, correct. Kanayo, Kwe, correct. All of you are correct. Where is Oyibo Ibo? I hope you are not having network issues. Ibo, where are you? I'm not seeing your responses again. Ibo, where are you? I'm waiting for you. Ozua, where? Correct. Now let's give the sentence. Okay, Ozua, network is bad here. I'm late again. Yeah, sorry about that. Your network, I know, you're on the road, so network might be fluctuating. So sorry about that. I know you are making efforts. Thank you for that. Now we're talking about where now, the sentence. Where ihe mere gị. Where ihe mere gị. Say what happened to you. Where ihe mere gị. Say what happened to you. Where ihe mere gị. Say what happened to you. Okay? Where ihe mere gị. Please, I think you should avoid putting tone mark because that might confuse you. You might not get it right with this speed we're using to write now. Don't put tone mark. Because if I read Stephen and Victor's sentence with the tone marks, it will sound differently from what we're saying here now. So leave tone marks out now and just write the word. Okay? I'm talking to Stephen and Victor. Weihe meregi, good effort. Clement Emehe, weihe meregi, good effort. Jenem, weihe meregi, good effort. Kanayo, weihe meregi, good effort. Ozua, weihe meregi, good effort. You guys are really on fire today. Ibo, where are you? I'm not seeing your responses again. I hope you're not having network issues. Now, for those of you who have been with us for a while now, you have been joining this class, and those who are joining for the first time, we have a good news for you. We have reduced the most important videos in our channel to ebook. And the ebook is such that every student who is interested in learning Igbo language fast need to really have it. It will accelerate your Igbo learning to a great extent. The ebook is a unique one, which captures text, pictures, and most importantly, audio. The audio in the ebook is such that you don't need to bother about how to read the book because you cannot speak Igbo or read Igbo language very well. The voice is there, the audio, you will hear me reading it for you. So you just listen. With that, you can understand how to pronounce the words accurately, and then there are narrations and explanations as you go through the book. And the most important aspect is that the audio is to be downloaded, and then you have it permanently in your phone memory or your computer, so that at any moment you can go back to that book, open the audio again, go through it and listen to it again. With that, even when you are not in class physically, you can be listening to lessons without even having to buy data or anything. Just play it like MP3 in your phone or in your car stereo while you are driving, or while you are cooking. You can listen to your teacher talk to you while you go through the book when you have the time to do that. So you have a double advantage. You have an ebook for a price of one, but you get audio book together for the price of ebook. It's a unique one. For those who have bought it, they are giving testimonies. So if you are a member of this class or family that you have not bought the ebook, you are not helping yourself at all. So do that today. That is very important in your Igbo learning journey. You need it today. Ask those who have bought. I know many of those people here have bought the book and they are testifying. And that's why they have improved so much in even in writing today. So if you have not bought our ebooks, do that today. How do you buy that? Very simple. At the end of this live session, this video will be uploaded. Check the description section under this video when it's uploaded, or our previous live sessions. You see them in our homepage. You just open the description box, you will see a link to our bookshop. Click the link, it will take you to our bookshop. You go through the books we have there, they're about 8 in number. Select any one you want, or if you want to buy all of them, they are very cheap. You can buy all of them once. Just click, select them all, click buy, and then do the payment and download them to your phone or to your computers. Permanently, you have them for yourself. You don't need to buy them again. You have permanent access to both the books and the audio. Do that today. As you do, you will be helping yourself and also helping to sustain the channel and to sustain the effort we are making. That's another way of you supporting us and then supporting yourself and helping yourself to learn faster. So do that today and you'll be glad you did. Thank you very much. Now we are moving on now. We are moving on. And I have said that virtually all of you got the word correctly, sentence correctly. Say what happened to you. Almost all of you got it correctly. So we go to the next word, which is kwere. Kwere. The next word is kwere, which is believe. Believe. Kwere. Believe. Now let's have the word. Drop it now. Believe. Kwere. Believe. Kwere. Let me have the word. Okay. Stephanie has written kwere. That's great. Waiting for others to write. Believe. Kwere. Believe. Kwere. Right now. I'm waiting for you. Drop your own word. Jenem. Kwere. Great. Where are the rest? Drop your word. Kwere. Drop your word now. Kwere. Waiting for you. Kanayo. Kwere. That's fine. Where are the rest? Drop your word. Kwere. Kwere. I know many of us are having network issues today. Some are on the road traveling. They're having difficulty sustaining their, contribution. Now I'm talking about those who have not been able to contribute. Ozua, Kwere, that's great. Stephanie, Jenem, Kanayo, Ozua, you have all written correctly. That is the word, Kwere, believe. Now let's take the sentence. Kwere na Chineke. Kwere na Chineke. Kwere na Chineke. Believe in God. Kwere na Chineke. Believe in God. Now write the sentence. Write the sentence now. Kwere na Chineke. Okay, Victor has written. Kwere na Chineke. Yeah, I'm waiting for others. Kwere na Chineke. Where are the rest? Kwere na Chineke. I got Victor's own. Okay, Kanayo. Kwere na Chineke. That's great. Where are the rest? Where are the rest? Kwere na Chineke. Where are the rest? Jen M. Kwere na Chineke. Okay, Stephanie has written. Clement, Emehe, Kanayo, Jenem. All of you have written. Where are the rest? I think others are having network challenges. I think they are going to come up and do that now. Yeah, I know. Many of them are having network issues. They are on the road. The network is pushing them on and off and thereabout. But I know they are making effort to be here. The sentence is, Kwere na Chineke. Believe in God. That's the sentence we are writing now. Many of you have written. Jenem has written. Okay, Ozo has written. Kwere na Chineke. Okay, that's great. Okay, kwere na Chineke, kwere na Chineke, kwere na Chineke. Okay, those sentences are almost all correct. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. And then I don't think I need to correct anything. You guys are on fire today. You are really serious. Kwere na Chineke. Next word is for pay, for pay, for pay, for pay. Write the word now. The way I'm looking at it is obvious that most of you have gone through the book, those who have bought this book, and you are very conversant already with all these words and the sentences. Although I'm changing the sentences a bit, but you are getting it right. That means you have gone through the book, you've listened to the audio, you've also watched our video on YouTube on this topic, on these Igbo verbs, and that is showing in your responses. That shows you are learning. That shows the impact of our lessons is actually being felt in you, and I'm happy for this. It means you are making progress. Okay, so and can I okay, I say or not who, I say or pay. I hope I said it right. I said or, not who, or pay. That's what I said. Or pay. Or pay. I'm waiting for more responses to be sure of who will get it right. Or, not who. You know, we have said who, which is say, but this time around I said or pay. Or pay. Waiting. Yeah, many has written. Some wrote quo. Okay. Can I wrote quo? Some people wrote quo. No, but I say quo. The word is KW because none of you got it. Okay. Okay, Jen M has got it. So I don't need to talk again. Jen M has got it. Look at the response of Jen M. Okay. Quo, that is the right word. Pay. KWUO, but U and O, we have dots under them. Okay? Ablahi want to join. Ablahi want to join. Ablahi, you are welcome. Why not? I was asked to, give you permission to join. Of course, Ablahi, you are welcome. But it's like, oh, Ablahi want to join live. Yeah. Ablahi, but your location is not having good lighting, so we can't see your face very well. I wish I could see your face very well, doctor. But you are not staying in a very good place that have light. You can't see you. Your place is dark, so we can't see your face very well, like Doctor Ablahi. We can't see your face very well. Your place is very dark. I do hope you will help to put light so that we can see you, see your face. Put your phone light if it's possible, or any other form of lighting. You can go close to the window. As I'm talking to you now, I'm close to a window. I'm using window reflection for lighting. I don't need to put on any light. This afternoon, hot, shining afternoon in Nigeria. So I just stay near the window and then I got the light you're seeing. There's no light around me, just the window light. So that is what we do in Africa. We improvise. Anything is possible. We don't have all these gadgets and everything you put around you in a studio to be able to see your face. In Africa, we don't need studio. I just stay near the window, and the natural light is all I need to. I believe all of you are seeing me. Or are you not seeing me very well? Does I look anything blurred? You can see me very well, very sharp. That is the beauty of Africa. Yeah. So we don't need to worry about too much light. We have enough light in Africa. Yeah, that's better. That's better, doctor. Yeah, that's better. But as you are, the problem you are going to have, doctor, is that you can hear me, but I can't hear you. So that's the problem now. But I can hear you, but you
What
can't
about
hear
now?
me.
Can you hear
Yeah,
me
the
now?
system, this particular system we're using now will not allow me to hear you, but you can hear me. So, but we can see you, but you can't hear. I can't hear what you are saying. It's unfortunate.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so that is a challenge. But it's good I can see your face today, and then you can. I
Okay.
don't know whether you can type, but I doubt you can type. But you can write on a paper. If we want to write, you can write on a paper and show us the image on the screen. We can see what you wrote. but you may not be able to write in the chat session, or you can't hear what you're saying. That's the challenge you're going to have. But let's move on. Doctor, you are welcome. This is Dr. Blahi, one of my very interesting person who want to learn Igbo language, a medical doctor, but he still has time and finds space to learn Igbo language. We appreciate you, Doctor. You are welcome. So we are the word we're looking at here now is Kwuo, which is KWUO, but the U and O has dot under, and it means pay. Pay. Now let me give you the sentence. The sentence is Kwuo ya ụgwọ. Kwuo ya ụgwọ. Pay him the debt. Kwuo ya ụgwọ. Pay him the debt or debt. Now, I want you to, those of you who can type, can you write that sentence? Kwuo ya ụgwọ. Pay him or her the debt or debt. Ụgwọ is debt. Now the challenge here is how to spell ụgwọ. Let me see those who can get it. Kwuo ya ụgwọ. Pay him the debt. Okay. Kanayo has written kwuo ya ụgwọ. That's great. That's great. Jenem has written kwuo ya ụgwọ. Yeah, you are making effort, but let me see. Clement has written kwuo ya ụgwọ. Okay, Clement has written kwuo ya ụgwọ. Yeah, Clement is really on top. I think Clement is the one that is getting the sentence first. Kwuo ya ụgwọ. Somebody has sent message, and the Oswa system is saying we can't see your message, but I've said this to show it. So now kwuo ya ụgwọ. Okay, Jenem. Okay, Oswa, you got it. Kwuo ya ụgwọ, you got it. Jenem, kwuo ya ụgwọ, that's great. And then Oswa, ụgwọ. Okay, you're writing that. We're past that already. So that's great. Most of you got it, but some of you didn't put O dot under ụgwọ. Ụgwọ. We got the spelling, but it does have to be under U and O. Ụgwọ. Okay? That is kwuo ya ụgwọ. Then Ozua, you have corrected your ụgwọ because before you wrote ụgbọ, but you have corrected it now. It's ụgwọ. Pay him or her the debt. Kwuo ya ụgwọ. That's great. Now we go to the next word, verb, which is lay. The verb is lay, which is see. Lay, see. Lay, see. Can you type the word now? Drop the word. Lay, see. Okay? Lay, see. Drop the word. Lay, see. Yeah, who is dropping the word for us? Lay, see. I'm waiting for the word to be dropped. Ozua. Okay. Kwuo ya ụgwọ. Okay. Can I hear you still writing what we're past already? I believe it's network. You delayed your area. Okay, Jenem has written lay. I think I'm surrendering today's leadership of this class to Jen M. Yeah, officially I give it to Jen M. Can I hear lay? Ozua lay. That's great. Yes. Where are the others? Dr. Blahi, can you type now? I think you should leave video and then let's type. But I've seen your face. It's a blessing to me today to see your face. We're happy about that. Can I lay? Clement lay, see or look. Yeah, that both are correct. See or look. Okay, lay. But I think even look is even more accurate in this lay. Yeah, lay, see. Okay, see or look. Even look might be more accurate. Okay, lay. So your answers are all correct. Let's look at the sentence now. And the sentence is lee m anya n'iru. Lee m anya n'iru. Lee m anya n'iru. Look at my face. Lee m anya. Somebody is trying to call me. By all means, I'm going to end this class in the next 10 minutes because my car is with the panel and they are calling me to get a response on what to do. And I have to answer them. They've been disturbing me with calls. So I'm going to end this class. Of course, I said initially that I'm going to end it in 1 hour. So I have about 7 minutes to end this class today. So lay manya niru. So I'm maintaining the same 1 hour I said. I'm not going to exceed it. Lay manya niru. That's why we have to join class early enough so that we don't miss out too much. Lay manya niru, which is look at my face. Lay anya niru, jenem niru, great. Jenem, you have made so much progress. Initially, you are not getting these things, but I think you have made a lot of progress. Jenem, it appears you have bought our ebooks. Please confirm if you have bought our ebooks. I can't remember. Jenem, have you bought our ebooks? Please indicate, because I see you have made a lot of progress. Okay, you are leading our class today. Emehem, lay anya niru, great. Uzwa, lee manya n'iru, correct. Kanayo, lee manya n'iru, correct. Okay, Jenem, just indicate, have you bought our books, ebooks, and has it impacted on you positively? I want your response. If you have not bought, say you have not bought. And then if you have bought, say you have bought. But many of you here have not bought our books. I'm sure Kanayo, Kenneth has not bought. I think Emehe Clement has bought our books. Ozua has bought so many. Kanayo, you have not bought our books, and so many other people in our classes have not done that. You need to do that. Apart from helping you to learn faster and more easily, you also use that as a form of support to this our channel, to our efforts to keep this our work going on. So it's a form of support, morally and financially. Please do that today, and God will bless you for doing that. Okay? Lem anya niru. That is the word, the sentence, and all you have written are correct. The next word is jenem. I did buy the one on verb. It was very good. Okay, Jenem said she bought the book on verbs and it was very good. I hope you buy more after this class today. Jenem, please buy more. Everyone should buy it. Yes, Jen is saying let everybody buy the book. And Jen, I'm also saying to you, please buy more. You bought only one out of 8 books we have. We need you to buy more books after the class of today. We appreciate that. And let others do so if you have not bought our book. I know Jen is making progress and leading the class today because she has bought the ebook, she has gone through it, she has mastered the words and the sentences very well. That's why you can see the reflection in her performance in class today. So if you have not bought our books, do that today. It comes with audio, text, pictures, everything, all in one, and for the price of one, very cheap price. As Clement said, yeah, Clement, I know, you bought my book. I think you bought about 6 or thereabout. So I think there are some of them you have not bought. Check the bookshop. There are other interesting ones you need to buy, Clement. Especially the one on this verb that we're dealing with now. You have not bought it. Do that today, Clement. And the rest of you that have not bought, you need to do that. You are missing a lot if you have not bought our books. They are wonderful. They are full of content, and they will guide you even easier. And then you don't need to write notes because the notes are there for you. Just go through it and listen, and that's all. Dr. Blai has also bought about 3 or so. Many of you have bought. Do that today if you have not. And buy more if you have bought 1 or 2, like Jen. Thank you. We are going on, okay? We're going on, and we are in, which word are we now? Ozua said, I got all the ebooks. They are all great. I know, Ozua, I've said it already, you bought all the books, and that has helped so much, and that has helped to improve your writing and speaking. We've even done live speaking with you, and I've seen you are making progress already. So if you have not bought a book, you are missing something. Buy it today after this live session. Check the description box of this live session when we end, and then click on it. You see the link to the bookshop. Click on the link. It will take you to the shop. Go through the books. Select as many as you want. Click buy. Just don't just buy one by one because you're going to be paying commission or charges for processing for each of them. But if you put them together and click buy, you pay only one charge for all of them. And that will be cheaper. It will save you money than buying one. So that is very important you do today. Now we're going to the next word, which is lagachi. The word means return. Lagachi, return. Or go back to where you're coming from. Return. Lagachi. Can I have the word now? I think this will be the last word we're having today because it's almost 1 hour. I don't want to exceed 1 hour today. Now, lagachi, okay. Yeah, Ablahi has joined us by chat now. Ablahi, welcome. I believe you have joined now. I think the video might not help you too well today, so it's good you came back this way. But you are coming in very late. You are coming in very late. Let's try to keep to time because it will help you to learn more than just joining at the tail end. Today we are maintaining 1 hour and we're about running up when Ablahi is joining us. So please, let's try to keep to time. And now we're talking about larachi, which is go back or return. Some people have written, Clement has written, okay, Abdullahi has written, Abdu, okay. Ozua has written larachi, Stephanie larachi. All those words are correct. The only one that's not correct is the one written by Clement Emehe. It's not lagachi, it's larachi. It's a, that word is GH, larachi. Okay. I lost Igbo left us, maybe network or whatever. So apart from that, Jenem got it, Oswa got it, Stephanie got it, Ablahi is not La Yachi, it's not Y, it's GH, La Yachi. Clement M got it, GH. Okay, La Yachi. So Ablahi, the only thing you miss is you have to be GH and not Y. Where you put Y, it should be GH, La Yachi. Okay, now let's take the sentence. Laghachi obodogi. Laghachi obodogi. Go back or return to your country. Laghachi obodogi. Laghachi obodogi. Go back or return to your country, your nation, obodo. Laghachi obodogi. Now let's have the sentence. Let's have the sentence. Let's have the sentence. Who is giving us the sentence? Laghachi obodogi. Go back or return to your country. Laghachi obodogi. Return to your country. Laghachi obodogi. Jenem has written. That's why I said Jen M is leading our class today. She's the champion and leader today. Laghachi obodogi. Yeah, Ablahi. That's great. Ablahi, you made a great effort. Laghachi obodogi. Great. Clement Emehe, great effort. Laghachi obodogi. Okay. Kanayo, laghachi obodo gị, great. Ozua, laghachi obodo gị, great. Ablahi, the only thing you miss is that your gi should have dot under the I. Apart from that, your sentence is perfect. I'm talking to Dr. Ablahi. Stephen and Victor, laghachi obodo gị, all are perfect, except the little correction I made for Dr. Ablahi. Because of Doctor, I'm going to add 10 minutes because of Doctor that joined us late. Doctor has been a good supporter for this project and for this channel. He has bought our books. He has been encouraging us in different ways. So, a courtesy of Alhaji, Dr. Abdullahi Abdul Karim that joined us late. I'm going to extend this class by 10 minutes for the sake of Doctor. Otherwise, I'm ending this class now. But then let me also say that this class is going to be the last class for this year because from next Saturday, I'll be very busy with church programs, end of the year church programs and activities. Like you might know or may not know, I'm a pastor and I do a lot in the church. I also interpret English to Igbo in the church. Basically, that's my major work in the church. I interpret our GS message. Maybe you don't know, I am a pastor with Deeper Life Bible Church, and we have retreats during Decembers and Easters. And then my major work at the retreat is to interpret English to Igbo. I interpret all the GS messages to Igbo. And then I ensure that our Igbo people who are not lettered understand the word of God. That is my basic major work. I'm the head of interpretation in my own area where I live in Lagos, and Ikorodu precisely. So please, you will not see this live session coming up again for the rest of the year because I'll be very busy with church activities. So today is going to be a validatory session for this year, and then we're going to see, by the grace of God, by January. So just have that in mind that there won't be further session after today for this year. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your belief in me. Thank you for your prayers. Those who have sent in condolences for the loss of my mom. I love you all. You've shown me that you're family with me. You are always with me, praying for me. I appreciate all of you. You are a great family. God will bless all of you and reward you in Jesus' name. Now, we are going to the next, because I said I'm going to extend this by 10 minutes for the sake of Dr. Abdullahi that joined us late a little bit. So I'm going to the next word, which is law, marry, marry, marry. Can you drop the word now? Law, marry. Yeah, law, marry. Yes, law, marry. Law. Let me have the word. Law. Let me have the word. Law, marry. Law. Okay. Stephen and Victor has written, Clement May has written, Jenem has written, law. And these are great words. Okay. More people are coming. Dr. Blahi, law. Great. Kanayo law, great. Yeah. These are great words. You are making impact, really. And your words also are law, great. All your words are correct. Let me take the sentence. Okay. Oh my goodness. Sherry Mango is just coming now. Shoibi Fa. You're just coming in now. I hope I got your name correctly. Shoibi Fa. Okay. You are coming in now. You are coming in late. If not for the extension of 10 minutes, you wouldn't have met us today. I don't know why you're coming in so late to class today. I'm talking to Sherry Mango. Anyway, you are welcome. Now, we're talking about law as a word, and the sentence is law nwunye ubua. Ga law nwunye ubua. Listen, the correction. Ga law nwunye ubua. Go marry wife now. Ga law nwunye ubua. Go marry wife now. You are of age. That's the sentence. Write it now. Ga lụọ nwunye ugbu a. Go marry wife now. Let me have the word. Let me have the sentence rather. Let me have the sentence. Ga lụọ nwunye ugbu a. Go marry wife now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Jenem, class captain, is here. She has dropped it. Ga lụọ nwunye ugbu a. Great. But a little bit not correct. You are Ubua, Jen M is not correct. Okay, Stephen Victor, Galuo Wunye, Ubua, great. Clement Emehe, Galuo Wunye, Ubua, great. Ozua, Galuo Wunye, Ubua, great. Austin Ugu, whoa, Austin Ugu, I am Ugu Austin. Sorry, I'm just knowing about this now. Oh, you're welcome. No, Mr. Austin Ugu, this is what we do every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. We take this live session to challenge all of us to practice speaking and writing Igbo language, listening to Igbo language, understanding Igbo words and Igbo sentences, constructing Igbo words and sentences. This is what we do every Saturday. We use it to challenge as many of us who are, watching our videos in our channel, who are learning with us, to be able to put to practice what they have learned over time and challenge them to learn more and to, see how much progress they have made in speaking Igbo, in writing Igbo, in understanding Igbo words and Igbo sentences. That's what we do in this channel every Saturday. We call it Let's Talk Igbo Language live. Unfortunately, for my friend that is joining us for the first time today, I'm talking to Augustine Ugu. This session is the last we're having for this year. We're going to continue by January because of Christmas activities that is setting in now and other things that have come up. So today is the valedictory for this year. We've done this is the 12th session we're having this year. Now we're continuing by January. God helping us, by the first week of January, we are hitting the airwave again to reach out to us. So please, we are sorry you are joining late. Sorry, I know you for the first, but it's good you are knowing now. First thing to do now is to subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel. I'm talking to Ugu now. Second thing you have to do is that after this live session, this video will be uploaded automatically to our channel. Go to our homepage, click on live. The drop down to open our live videos before, watch the ones we've done before, but most importantly too, open the description box of our live sessions. You will see in the description a link to our bookshop. Click on the link so that you can gain access to our bookshop where you see all our Igbo books we have written already. The unique thing about our Igbo books is that they come with audio, not just book, audio, where you can listen to me, read the book for you, explain to you, give you the right sounds and pronunciation of the words. So you buy the book for the price of audio book, but you're going to have for the price of ebook, but you have both the ebook and the audio for keeps, for life. So you do that today so that you can begin to listen to our teachings when you are at home through MP3, when you are cooking, when you are in laundry, when you are driving, you can listen to us, speak to you, and then you go through the books. It's not like a note. You don't need to write notes again. Go through the books and listen to us, explain to you. With that, you're going to move fast. By January, we come back to live session. Also, watch our previous videos in our channel, the Igbo Tutor. With that, I'm sure, Ugu, by January, you would have made a lot of progress. So, do that today. Buy the ebooks today. Listen to these teachings, the audio, the text, and then prepare. Watch our other videos in our YouTube channel. Prepare for January. We are returning with live session. God bless you. Chukwu gozie gị. Now, we're talking about go marry wife now. Almost all of us got it right, except for those like Jenem who wrote Ugubua. They didn't write Ugua correctly. But Galuo Ugua, Stephen Peter got it, Clement Emehe, Galuo Ugua, correct. Ezua, Galuo Ugua, correct. Abdullahi, Galuo Ugua. No, those who wrote Ubua, the U in Ubua doesn't have dot under. Both of the U doesn't have dot under. Talking to Abdullahi, doctor, that is the correction. Kanayo, Galwangu Ubue. No, that's not correct. It's Ubua, UGBUA, Ubua. Sherimango, Shoibi, Galwangu Ubua. No, you are Ubua. The U doesn't have dot under them. Clement Galwangu Ubua, correct. Jene, Ubua, sorry, typo. Okay, it says typo. You've corrected yourself. Now we've done with where are we? Ga, law, okay, law, that's where marry, which is law. We're done with that. The next word we're talking about now is macro. I think that should be the last word for today. Yeah, I said extra 10 minutes, and that is the last word we're having today. Macro, embrace. That is the word. Macro, embrace. Yes, type the word now. Macro, embrace. Macro, embrace. Now type the word now. Drop it in the chat. Macro, embrace. Macro, embrace. Okay, Sherry Mango has written that. Macro, that's fine. Where are the rest? Drop the word. Drop the word. Macro, macro, embrace. Macro, embrace. Okay, Ablahi, that's great. Ablahi, you are on top. Stephen, Victor, macro, correct. Yeah, who are the rest? Austin Ugu, Macro, yeah, you tried. But you are core, you are U and O need to have dot under them. It's important. I'm talking to Augustine Ugu. And if you don't have the Igbo alphabet in your Igbo keyboard, in your phone or computer, please go to language setting, look for keyboard, language setting keyboard. Now select Kwati Igbo keyboard. Install it or add it to your keyboard. You'll be able to have access to Igbo alphabets. When you want to type U with dot under, press the U down on your keyboard. It will show you options of U with dot under and the other options on top. Pick the one you need so you can have Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer. I'm talking to Ugu in case you don't have that. Jene, Makwo, all are correct except Ugu. Now let's have the sentence. Makwo nwunye gị ugbua. Or makwo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Let me take another word. Makwo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Embrace your wife quickly before somebody else take her. Embrace your wife quickly. Makwo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Makwo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Embrace your wife quickly. That's the last word you're having for today. Okay? The last sentence for today. Makwo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Okay? Stephen Victor, you are the one that shot first and you got it right. Where are the rest? Makwo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Shoot now. Shoot now. That's the last for today. Everybody should shoot before we round up. Makwo ọsịsọ. Oh, Dr. Abdullahi, you did not put nwunye gị. You wrote Makwo ọsịsọ. You didn't put nwunye gị. Abdullahi, correct yourself. I say, Makwo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Embrace your wife quickly. Okay? Now, Abdullahi, correct yourself. Jene, Makwo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Great. Okay? Who else? Somebody's own is hidden. Cherry Mango, Makwo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Great. Yeah, that you are doing well. Where are the rest? This is the last for today. So drop your own now. Don't be left behind. Drop your own sentence now. So round up now. Drop your sentence. Drop your sentence. Drop your sentence. Yes. Who else? Who else? Okay. Who else? Makwuo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Drop it as a round up. Thank you very much for coming online today and for being part of today's class. Appreciate you. Makwuo nwunye gị ọsịsọ. Yeah, you have done correction, but yeah, ọsịsọ. Both I and O need to have dot under them in ọsịsọ. All of them have dot under. So we thank you today for making out time to be with us and for always being around when we come out for this live session. We believe that you've learned a lot through these live sessions. We've been able to help each other grow, and then in our confidence in speaking Igbo, in understanding the sounds of the words and sentences. It has been a nice time being with you, learning with you, and guiding you through this journey to Igbo language mastery. I believe we have made progress through our live sessions. As we come to the last one for this year, we pray that God keep all of us alive and strong so that by next year, we will resume and even do better. I appreciate those of you that bought our books, and I also appeal to those who have not bought. Let that be your Christmas gift to us, to buy our books today. If you have not, please do that today. As we end this live session, hit the description box of this video, hit a link to our shop, buy our books today. Let that be your Christmas gift to us. We will appreciate it. Those who have not bought, buy. Those who have bought, buy more. And let's have that as a Christmas gift to us today. We will appreciate. And God will bless you. See you next year. God be with you. KMSIA. Bye for now. Have a wave. Give me a wave. And then let's see next year.